Yeah, this is me paddling in the Cypress tupelo swamp, as you could tell earlier. Very beautiful, perfect day. Temperature's just right, just above freezing, not too hot. Duck hunting with my duck hunting partner, Randy. He's up there in front of me. We're paddling through the Cypress tupelo swamp. I'm just going to have to show you the 2 drake mallards Randy and I got today, just to verify that we in fact had a very successful duck hunt today. Even if we hadn't got ducks, it still would have been successful. But here they are, a couple great big old drake mallards, as fine at eating as there is. So we had a great day today.
That is true.
You all take care.